Top 3 Ways to Start Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. In this video I will point out 3 affiliate marketing options for beginners, which are completely free, easy and simple. I have personally tried them and I know from experience that they are very simple and completely free. Interestingly, each of them is related to a completely different area of human creativity. The first is related to the music industry, the second to optimizing the content creator experience on YouTube, and the third to self-publishing books online. So, let's get started. Number 1. RouteNote. RouteNote is a distribution company focused on independent artists. Sharing to platforms globally has made them a prominent choice for many musicians all around the world. RouteNote is completely free for all artists looking to distribute their music on any online platforms. Artists keep 85% of all revenues when they choose RouteNote for free music distribution. And you guessed it, RouteNote has a referral affiliate program. You only have to sign up for free, and activate your referral link and code in a few simple steps, and connect your PayPal address to enable payment. It means that you can earn money by referring friends to RouteNote. I suggest doing it on Twitter or YouTube, maybe even Instagram and Facebook, whatever you prefer. Provide your friends with your referral link or code, and when they sign up with your code or link, you automatically qualify for 2% of any earnings they make on RouteNote free plan. Your 2% is taken directly from RouteNote's cut, so your friends won't lose money. Everyone's a winner. An excellent method, which everyone should know about. Number 2. TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is essentially a certified YouTube SEO tool and Chrome extension that connects directly to your YouTube dashboard. Once you install it on your browser, which is very easy, and log in, your YouTube dashboard becomes entirely upgraded, with tons of new features. Of course, you can always use completely free unlimited version, but if it turns out you like it, look at the prices and consider buying paid version. TubeBuddy costs $9 a month for their Pro plan, $4.50 for channels with less than 1,000 subscribers, $19 a month for their Star plan, and $49 for their Legend plan. Is TubeBuddy worthy of using? Yes, TubeBuddy has helped to manage, optimize, and grow many YouTube channels. You will see a huge improvement in your YouTube channel the moment you start using TubeBuddy. And as with method 1, you guessed it, TubeBuddy has a referral affiliate program. You only have to sign up for free, and activate your referral link and code in a few simple steps, and connect your PayPal address to enable payment. It means that you can earn money by referring friends to TubeBuddy. Again, I suggest doing it on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram or Facebook, whatever you prefer. Provide your friends with your referral link or code, and when they sign up with your code or link, you automatically achieve this. You get 30% of every subscription payment. Payments are made on the 1st of every month. All payments are made via PayPal. If interested, read more details on TubeBuddy official website. Number 3. Draft2 Digital. Draft2 Digital is an ebook aggregator that distributes and sells your book to a wide range of online retailers. Aggregators collect a percentage and pay you at intervals. Many authors feel that the small percentage, on average, 15%, is fair trade for the wide distribution plus centralized accounting and payment services. Of course, there are other similar services, and one of the most prominent is Smashwords. Both extremely simple, intuitive and full of unique advantages, and simultaneously great for writers who are just beginning their writing careers, and equally great for those who already have a career, and with experienced steps. Continue to cherish it. Draft2 Digital offers, you guessed it, a referral affiliate program. Again, as in previous methods, you only have to sign up for free, and activate your referral link and code in a few simple steps, and connect your PayPal address to enable payment. This is a perfect way to make a little extra cash. If you have an audience of authors or aspiring authors, you can send our way. Again, if interested, Read further details on Draft2 Digital official website. And these were 3 completely free, easy, fast and simple options that I wholeheartedly recommend to anyone interested in getting started with affiliate marketing. Good luck on your daring journey. Did you find this video informative? Yes, no, maybe a bit of both? Whatever the case, let me know in the comments section below, and goodbye for now.